Welcome back to Southern Girl Cooks. Today we are going to be making my crunchy panko crusted catfish fillets. Now you can use whatever kind of fish you want to use, but we are going to be doing catfish today. So what we're going to start with is just some catfish. I'm only doing a few pieces because it's only me that's going to be eating. So what we're going to do is we're going to create a batter with just a few ingredients, and then we're going to roll it in panko. Okay, so what I have here is I've got some all-purpose flour. I've got here I've got some salt and some baking powder. Okay, so what we're going to do is just dump this in. Okay, now we'll be whisking all the ingredients in together. Next, I have some club soda and some hot sauce, and you can use whatever type of club soda that you like. You can use whatever type of hot sauce that you like. Okay, so we're just going to throw this in. And we're going to mix them together, whisk them together to make a beautiful batter. And guys, while we're whisking this together to make our batter, you want to just make sure that you have your oil nice and hot and that it's ready to go at 350 degrees. Now this is a little thick. So what we're going to do, if you ever have a situation like that, that's fine. Just slowly add a little bit of club soda to thin it out, maybe a teaspoon and a half at a time, okay? You want it to become a batter consistency. Okay, so that's getting closer to what we want. I'm going to put just a drop more of club soda in there. We're going to whisk this again. Now what we have is we've got some panko bread crumbs. And I've put those in a bowl here. I'm going to grab our fish. We're going to roll our fish in the batter and then in the panko. Guys, if you don't like catfish, comment down below what you like. Are you a tilapia kind of person? Are you all about salmon? If you are all about salmon, check out my salmon bites video. That's a simple recipe that's got a lot of bang in it for very little work. Now we're just going to start to introduce our pieces into the panko. Just roll it in there nicely. You may want to use gloves for this if you're afraid of getting a little messy. I don't mind so much. Now we're going to bring in our hot oil and start to fry. Guys, I want to take this time out to thank you for watching Southern Girl Cooks and following us on our journey. If you've not already done so, please don't hesitate to smash that subscribe button and also the bell notification so that every time we upload a new video, you're amongst the first to know. Please leave your comments down below. If there is something that you would like to see me prepare, please leave it in the comments. My team and I always check those comments. Okay? Make sure that you are not crowding the pan. You want to make sure that you have a nice, beautiful crust on both sides. And the way that you do that is take your time. Please do not crowd your pan. Oh, that is beautiful, guys. Oh, yeah, that is lovely. Let's see what we got here. Oh, my God, that's so pretty. All right, guys, I always like to drain my fish or anything that I fry for the most part on a paper towel. Isn't that pretty? Oh my goodness, that is gorgeous. That one's a little thicker. I'm gonna leave that in there just a bit longer. And while that's cooking, I am going to introduce in the last piece that I was cooking over here, or that I was prepping over here. Guys, look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? Wow. Now, guys, if you've got the time to make tartar sauce, you certainly can do that. I tend to like to use this by Kraft with my seafood, shrimp, with my fish, those kinds of things. But you are welcome to use whatever you like. And of course, if you want, you can just use some hot sauce. I would just caution you because we've added salt and hot sauce to our batter. You want to try to taste it before you add in some more salt to it, just because you don't want to ruin your fish by getting it too salty. And don't do like I did and kind of forget about this piece, but it's still beautiful. Okay, now what we are going to do, let's put this baby off to the side so that we can cut into this one and see what we have. And as you can see, that's nice and flaky. It is cooked all the way, okay? See how flaky that is? So don't worry, it's cooked, okay? Now, that's really hot, but we are going to give it a try. It's good. That's so yummy, guys. Hopefully you can hear the crunch. I was gonna put some sauce on it, but I don't know that I need any. But since we got it out, let's try it. See what we think. All right, guys, let's see what we got here. Ooh. Guys, we got a hit right here. We have a hit. So as always, thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next recipe video. And again, please don't forget to smash that like, comment, and subscribe.